Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Shares of StubHub rose about 8% in their New York Stock Exchange debut on Wednesday, valuing the ticket reseller marketplace at $9.32 billion, adding to a streak of positive day-one receptions for technology platforms. The Nasdaq and the S&P 500 closed lower in choppy trading, after the U.S. Federal Reserve cut interest rates by an expected 25 basis points and Fed Chair Jerome Powell cited the weak job market. Metaplanet, the Japanese hospitality and real estate group turned Bitcoin treasury company, is ramping up its crypto strategy with the launch of two new subsidiaries, one in the U.S. and one in Japan. Goal is to grow Bitcoin income and expand domestic crypto media operations.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.1% during the session. The ultimate oscillators is giving a negative signal. The euro fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The CCI is giving The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.4% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.